and sleeping has a bed, and that is a dog. Her pop at two. I do like my thing. This is mine. No, it's not mine. Nobody loves me.
Tingnan nyo itong dalawa ng best friends niya. Ginaganyan na sila. Ganyan, ganyan na sila. Ganyan sila.
When you're living your birth to Louis. Spiky.
You're funny, balingling. Sobrang love ni Baby Celine ba? Before, umiiyak. Morning, guys.
I need
yellow.
14.
Here's one. Say hi, anak. Good morning.
Good morning.
Have a look at our Ate Paris's face. It's swollen. Tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo, magpula dyan. Pagkagising niya kaninang umaga, ganyan yung nakita namin. And you know what? It's because of her teeth. So, di ba na-mention ko, Saturday ba yun? Punta ako ng dentist and sabi ko, tumawag si Daddy Mike kasi Ate Paris daw ay sumasakit yung ngipin. So, we've been giving her like Panadol for pain.
For 5 times.
Yeah, I'm trying to get in contact with dentist. And yeah, so today we have an appointment at 12:30. Kasi ganyan yung nangyayari, di ba? Sumasakit yung ngipin. Tapos, nag-swell ng ganyan. And buti na insert nila kami for 12:30 today.
And Mommy just gave me an activity to play with.
It's not hurting now, anak. It's not. Kasi alam ko kapag nasasaktan siya, sinasabi niya. So,
Still hurt.
yeah. Anyways, we'll see what the dentist will say later. Don't worry.
So, just look at it. The activity is so cute. I really love it. But this is going to take forever.
Is Ate okay?
Yes, I'm alright, Daddy.
Okay, I love you.
Love you. Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Have you been? Oh my God! Look what Daddy's got for the girls.
Which one do you want, Nini?
Normally si Daddy
This
Max
one?
pumunta siya ng shops. Wow!
Thank you.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you who?
I cherish this one because
Thank you who?
Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
Good girl. Pen? Straight away. Careful, huh? Oh my God. Look at this.
That's so cool, Lee. What is it? What's this? This is MUKHA. What is this?
Binhan ni Daddy Mike kasi Ate Paris obviously is not going to school.
Oh,
Ay, shush ka.
open.
Kaubo. May isa I got some strawberries. Yung aking mukha dyan. Tignan nyo guys, sobrang laki ng aking tagayawat. Oh. Oh my goodness. Ayan. Kulang pa sa tulog. More.
What color do you want?
Pink?
Pink?
Yeah, she said pink. How do I open this bin?
You're drawing.
Oh, I thought that was lip balm. It looked like lip balm when I was in there. Can you open this thing? Can you? Oh, it has makeup inside. Let's pick too. I bought her some. Thank you.
There's paper in that book, Lini. Show her, Ati.
There.
No, there, in there.
Here. Lee, there's paper in here. Look, there's activities. Do you want to color? Look, you got a puppy bracelet. That's cool. Look. Look at that one. Do you like it? And what's this? And the green. Do you want to go to? Show it out. Thank you, Ate. Thank you.
Napabili din ako kay Daddy Mike nito. Posporo. Kasi, gumagamit ako ng incense dito sa bahay, guys, para,
For my put this one.
mabango.
For my put
Naubusan ng gas yung lighter namin.
Put this one away.
Extra long pa itong binili ni Daddy Mike, guys. Just colored.
Put it
As
on
if
the
naman na,
wall.
tingnan niyo, ang binili.
This is Auntie's.
A few moments later.
Yes, we're going to the dentist now, okay? Ito rin gustong pumunta ng dentist. Kayo na talaga. We are! We can go dentist. Tingnan niyo, umuulan, guys. Where's ate? Ate? Oh, honey, don't get wet. Come here. Where's ate na? Ate's there. Tingnan niyo. Bit-bit ng kanyang, eyes. Nawawa ng mukha. May show me your face, baba? Mas kita niyo talagang, Okay, let's go in.
What is that?
We go on that side, please.
What is that?
It's a door.
I think this is my side.
Now this is Lenny's side, isn't it? Hang on, let me see. Come on. Normally kasi doon kami nagpa-park. Tapos ngayon, nandito kami. Nalileto na kami asa ng... dito. Come here. This is Lenny's side. But it's okay, you can go in first. I think baby still in. Hindi pa nga nakaalis. Basa na. Careful, anak. Your head, ate. Baby girl.
Wait.
Come here. Come on here. Okay, follow ate.
The cold one.
The cold one?
The colder.
Do you know which one? Do you know which one is cold?
Yeah.
You sure?
I like cold too.
Dito na kami sa
I would like
dentist, guys.
cold. I want a drink.
You wanna drink? Okay, mama will go with you. Okay? Hintay lang kami na tumagin, ha? Wanna sit there? Okay. Yeah, okay, let's go. Yung TV kasi doon ay may kids dito. Iba man ang show. Okay. Okay. We're done at the dentist, guys. Dito kami ngayon sa
Which one
Peru.
is?
The one.
Okay.
Thank you. So here's our ate. How's your experience there at the dentist? Ang daming kailangan gawin, guys. Sa ngipin. Yan talaga tayo eh. So yun. Ngayon, wala, umuulan pa rin na anak. Kakain kami, guys, ng lunch. Dito kami sa Filipino restaurant. Madadaanan lang kasi galing sa dentist pauwi. Sabi, Okay, go. We go there lang to Kubo's Bar and Grill. There.
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys! Andito kami ngayon sa Kubo's Bar and Grill sa Cuparo, guys. Kakain na muna kami. So nag-order ako ng bulalo kasi perfect for the weather. It's cold and it's raining. And rice para sa aming tatlo. So, ang ate ni Paris ay nag-rest. Andyan lang siya, oh. Binigyan kami nito ng dentist, guys. So, meron kaming prescription dito, antibiotics para humupa yung swelling ng kanyang mukha. And then, yung gagawin, in 2 weeks time, pag na settle down na yung pamamaga ng ngipin niya, ay bubunutin. So, So yes, bubunutan nila yung ngipin. Unfortunately, sabi nila has to be done. For now, yung inaalala lang is yung pamamaga nga, which nandito nga yung antibiotics, makakatulong. So, sabi ng dentist, if it's hurting, then just give pain reliever. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng bunutin na infected pa. Kasi kapag kasi daw infected yung gums, yung ngipin, hindi nag-work yung anesthesia. So, kailangan na humupa muna before bunutin para mag-work yung anesthesia, wala siyang maramdaman. Especially, she's still a kid, you know what I mean? Like, ayaw nilang magkaroon ng trauma na baka ayaw nang bumalik sa dentist. Look at this, guys. Perfect for the weather. Bulalo and rice. Yes. Gonna eat now. Sobrang init pa rin yan, guys. Yum. Anak, we could go on the other side lang. Oh my God, this is yum. Sobrang, this is hot lang. You go on the other side ba? There, sit there, please. Thank you. Mate? Ika? Talin? Good morning, everyone. It's now Wednesday, and we are outside Canon Hill. What are we doing here, girls?
We're gonna see Mommy's friend.
Mommy's friend, yes. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang mukha ay maga pa rin, guys. But we've been giving her the right medication, and she should be alright pretty soon. Alright, kakapark lang namin dito. So, it's currently 9 o'clock in the morning, and kikitain namin si Sheena dito.
Hi.
Magkakape kami, mag-breakfast, and at the same time, habang nandito na kami, dinala ko na yung kailangan kong i-post para, you know, killing two birds with one stone. And with Sheena as well, nagbibenta siya ng suman, guys. So, I bought 20 pieces kasi $1 each, and may longganisa din daw siya. So, exciting! Ang aking taghiyawat ay slowly, nag-settle down na siya. But, yeah, still there. Anyways, let's go, girls! We gotta go!
What about this one?
See you later! Hi, guys! This is Sheena! Hello! Ayan, Pinay din siya, guys. Our friends na. Ours is here. And this is what I was talking about before. Meron tayong meron tayong friendship na talented. May ability. Suman. Ito suman, guys. Pakita. Yeah. Alam, may ganito. Wow, may ganito pa. It reminds me of Philippines talaga. Diba? Dito, binibili din ito. Mahal ba ito?
Oh, yung dahon. Mga $10 a kilo din yun.
Oh my God.
May tanim ako, kaya...
may tanim ka?
Oo.
May farm ka pala?
Hindi Kon lang siya, ano ba to? Yan, longganisa.
Longganisa din, guys.
Skinless yan. Tatanggalin mo yung plastic, ha?
Yeah. Kasi itong mga viewers ko, itong mga viewers ko, gabi, alam na alam nila. Since nasa Melbourne kami, naghahanap talaga ako ng mga kakanin. Diyos ko,
Really?
saan ako umaabot para lang sa mga kakanin. So, nung sinabi mo na ganito, oh my God. Ang mga nawong.
That's better. I can hear it more.
Punta kami ng post office, guys. Can you see that? Ayan, post office. Tapos namin, straight na kami dito. Punta tayo sa Asian, sa dollar shop. So, ang aking suman, guys, nakain ko na yung dalawa. Napakasarap, guys. Seriously, reminds me of Philippines. Yung lasa, sobrang yummy niya. Pag nandito kayo sa Brisbane, guys, gusto nyo umorder ng mga ganito. May longganisa din siya. Pinakita ko ba sa inyo? Ayan. Sabi niya, nakakagawa din daw siya ng puto, So, sobrang galing niya, guys. Message her. Hala, may number ba tayo? Message her. Let me know, guys, sa comment section below. At bigay ko sa inyo yung contact number niya. Ayan, makabili kayo. Magluluto na tayo ng hapunan. Marisa, palingling? What happened? Oh, it's not working? Oh, sure, stop here, baby. Let's see what happened here.
Fix it.
You fix it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Ito yung lulutuin natin. So, mag-stir fry tayo ng beef. Lagyan natin itong thin egg. Wok ready noodles. Tapos, ayan lang. Oyster sauce. Tapos, yung isasahog natin is tawag dito, carrots. Nag-boil na ako ng tubig. So, ilalagay natin to siya sa bowl. So, after nung lakad namin kanina guys, hindi na kami lumabas kasi it's been like raining outside. Nung umuwi kami, basang-basa kami guys kasi malayo yung pinarkingan namin. Kailangan kong bitbitin yung mga bata. Tapos, nagpaa ako guys. Yan yung nangyayari kapag umuulan. Tapos, suot-suot mo yung pinakamamahal mong Hermes shoes. Magpapaa ka talaga. Ayan. Gamitin na natin itong dalawa. So, lagyan natin ng yung tubig na mainit. Lulutuin ko sana yung sausage na yung longganisa na binili ko kanina from Sheena. Pero naisipan ko bukas na lang ng umaga kasi diba maganda magawa tayo ng tawag din guys, longsilog. Ganun, bukas. So, I'm not sure about Ate Paris tomorrow guys, kung makakapasok na ba siya ng school. Last day pa naman bukas ng kanilang tawag dito sa term na to kasi yung Friday Good Friday, so walang klase. Bukas Thursday mag last day nila for this term. It means next week ay holiday na nila for 2 weeks, so hindi sila babalik ng school until mid next month. So, ewan ko kung makapasok siya, but we're not gonna push it, kung sumasakit pa. Actually, hindi naman talaga sobrang sakit. Meron siyang, yung swelling ay nandun pa rin, but it's not getting worse. And, we'll see tomorrow, guys. But she's been good with taking the medication kagabi, my God. Kailangan pa talaga naming umarte na, oh my God, we're gonna call the ambulance or something. Kasi ayaw niya talagang inumin kasi ang pangit daw ng lasa. Which I understand naman, guys. Kasi amoxicillin yun antibiotics ba. You can imagine, hindi talaga maganda yung lasa. Yesterday, yeah, we went to the extent na si Daddy na tatawag ng ambulansya para lang inumin niya. But today, she's been good. Alam niyo naman siya yan, guys. Sobrang gusto niyang mag-vlog. So, yung ginagawa niya, humingi siya ng phone, tapos kinakausap niya yung sarili niya, nagbo-vlog siya, sinasabi niya na, I don't really like taking this, but I have to. Tapos, painom-inom siya ng ganun. Tapos, nauubos naman niya. Sinasabi namin, whatever you wanna do, basta maubos mo lang yung, yung antibiotics.
Hi guys, so it's me again, Paris, and I'm a medicine taker, but I'm not doing my medicine. I'm actually doing antibiotics.
That's Paris' new auntie.
What?
Tita Biotics.
That's not right. I was just acting silly. I want to make two. And I have milk to make me not taste antibiotics.
Yeah. Have a look at her face. So it's still red in this spot.
I made two.
Well, oh, you like milk? Okay, okay, baby. All right.
It hurts so much when I touch it.
So yeah, show Tita and Tito how you drink it.
Say, look at this.
Your antibiotic.
So how can you smile now that I'll show you? Does it look like I'm gonna smile?
Okay, lang?
I'm gonna show my mom. Now, this is how I can smile now.
The other team will be 2 men.
Oh, maybe the
Look,
Then just put it in
this is
the.
how I can smile. Mommy. Oh my god, just can't do this.
Cup. I'll find the. I'll get Daddy to find it later with the mancha, okay?
Together. Please let me can do this. Please let me do this. Please let me do this. I get an eyebrow. I wish that this antibiotics will be nice. Alright, Mr. Serpent.
Can I just put it in the cup, Lay? I'll just put it here without the top.
Not baggy, man. We're not falling.
Okay.
We're not falling.
That was all.
That is delicious. It tastes like it. It tastes not very good. But it's just like a milk. It tastes like broccoli cake. Broccoli.